Today we'll be making a pizza in the microwave. I got this recipe from Pinterest. So let's make it. We are going to place 4 tablespoons of flour into your mug. That's 1. 2, 3, 4. Next up is to take your 1/8 teaspoon, and you are going to put 1 of your baking powder in here. That's 1. Take your 1/8 again of baking soda. And then you're just going, and then you are going to take a 1/8 again of your salt, and you're just gonna mix this together again. Your 3 tablespoons of milk in here. 2, 3. 1 is a tablespoon of oil. And you're going to mix this together. Look something like this after you've mixed it. Next is you're going to stick 1 tablespoon of your sauce in here. Next part is you're going to be sticking maybe 2 tablespoons of mozzarella, or you can put as much as you like for your pizza. Big pinches full of the mozzarella is a teaspoon of Italian seasoning or a teaspoon of oregano. Next, take pepperoni. The mini pepperoni would be better, but I have the big ones, so to make them smaller, you're just gonna rip them and make them bite-sized, and just put as much as you would like into your pizza. Either you can leave your sauce and pepperoni and cheese on top, but I chose to incorporate mine by mixing it. So we are going to microwave this for 1 minute and 20 seconds. So we'll come back and see what that looks like. So here is our mug pizza out of the microwave. I did add a little bit more cheese and pepperoni at the top. So let's take a look and see what. So let's dig in. Nice and stretchy. This is really good. You guys should try this. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you try this mug pizza. I'll see you guys later. Bye.